Some headlines claim scientists have turned light into a solid. That's not true. They didn't freeze light or give it even mass. But what they did is even more fascinating. Here's what happened. The team of physicists at the Italian National Research Council captured light into a specially designed semiconductor made of gallium arsenide. Inside this material, the light particles photons excited atoms. As a result, pairs of electrons and positively charged holes known as excitons were created. And now here's the key. These excitons began to strongly interact with photons, resulting in the formation of polaritons. The polaritons are actually quasiparticles, which contain properties of both light particles and matter. In the next stage, scientists increased the intensity of the light beam, and something remarkable happened. The newly created polaritons began to organize themselves into a repeating pattern. They started to flow like a liquid, but maintained a rigid structure like a solid. This unique behavior marked the creation of a new state of matter, known as a photonic supersolid. Now, here's the key question. Did light actually turn into a solid? Not exactly. What really happened is far more intriguing. It was the interaction between light and excitons that gave rise to this new state of matter. And this isn't the first time a supersolid has been achieved in a lab. Scientists have done it before, not using light but with ultra-cold atoms like helium or rubidium cooled to near absolute zero. What's new here is that light played a key role in forming this strange hybrid state.